Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today here we have a GLA Class Mercedes. We're going to take a look at how you could check your power voltage on your battery to see how good a charge you've got. Say you get in the car and it's click, click, click and it won't start. You might want to check how much voltage you have in there. Any basic voltmeter, just make sure it's set to the DC voltage. You're going to go ahead and set it to the DC voltage, and then you're going to hook your positive over here, hook your negative on this post. Okay. And we got 12.29, 12 and a half. That's what we really ideally want it to be at. And so if we're that good, then you would have to check for other things. If it's any lower than that, you'd want to be checking the alternator and see how that's outputting out. Or your battery could have just gotten old and gone bad. So to get into this battery compartment, we can pop this cover off. And you can do the same test on there. Make sure you're doing the positive to the positive and negative to the negative, right? Plus and minus. And you can check this because maybe there's a connection missing here. But you can just go ahead and do that. Same thing, 12.3. So we're getting the same readings at both points. So that's going to be good. So this battery is good. But if you had a bad battery, we'll go over how you would replace a battery here shortly. But that is how you would check your battery to see if you got the right voltage and amperage you need to start your vehicle. Thanks for watching.